Hi, my name is Pushkala.
How
I
old?
am 32-year-old.
Uh,
I've come to learn second degree Reiki today
uh,
with Ms. Padma Aruri.
uh,
So I had been doing Reiki self-treatment for the past 1 year since the time I had learned first degree. Recently, I just felt an urge to, upgrade my knowledge to the next level so that I can get more deeply involved into this healing pattern. So that's
What
the reason.
happened to you?
1 month back, I actually met with an accident. I had a leg injury. My knee cap got dislocated partially, and by God knows, by fate or by a good, good
What you felt in
karma.
during that time and till today?
At that time, actually, because of this dislocation, all the cartilage, the meniscus tissue, and the ACL all got damaged, due to which I have not been able to walk properly for the past 1 month, more than 1 month. I am taking regular painkillers every day almost.
Which doctor you met?
I have met 2, 3 surgeons.
3 surgeries.
Yes, and they say that the surgery is not required at this stage. So they've just put me on medication and they've asked me to take rest. So I'm just doing my daily course, but at a leisure pace.
Uh,
And recently I've started an Ayurvedic treatment also. That is also not giving much relief.
Throughout the day, how is your feeling?
I always sense that heaviness in my knee, which is like permanent. I have learned to walk with it, so that's the reason most of the time I'm
Throughout the
limping.
day, 24
Yes,
hours,
yes, it is there.
it is there.
It is there.
And is it heat or cold?
It is normally warm, hot.
Hot. You sense it.
Yes.
Now?
Now, after the attunement, I can see that the pain is gone.
Before
It
attunement?
is, yeah. Before our attunement also, as
Before-
you gave me a small treatment. Since
Yes.
then, I
by-
could sense
by-
that cooling sensation. It's just like as if somebody has poured menthol onto my knees. It's that sensation is still seeping
Is
in.
Padma gave Reiki healing to you?
Yes, I think I'm able to walk. I was not able to bend my leg properly, so
So,
it was like now I'm able to bend and I can hold it also.
before that you did
No, I cannot tilt it to this degree.
show your movement of your leg. Is it normal?
It's normal. It's fine. This way I was not able to tilt previously.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Please give a comment on Reiki healing.
Reiki healing, it actually helps. I have experienced it myself. I can see myself as a different person what I am today from what I was 1 year back. Definitely, it has immense amount of effect as well as soothing effect, I should say, as well as it helps you to come over your problems in a very positive note.
Okay, thank you. And about your attunement, second degree attunement.
Regarding my attunement, first time when I took the attunement, it was pretty blank, I should say. I was like a clear slate. I went ahead with a lot of expectations, but I did not experience much during the attunement. So all I could sense after the attunement was my mind was completely clear. But after the second attunement,
Second degree.
attunement, what I sensed was colors, prominent colors appearing. Especially the more dominant and prominent ones were violet as well as blue, which were there for quite some time during the process.
Where did you learn your first degree?
I learned my first degree
Reiki
through,
first degree.
Rajini from Peace Vision at Banjara Hills.
And second degree?
Second degree from the great Dr. Padma Aruri.
No, I'm not a doctor. She's not a doctor.
She's not a doctor. I pray that she becomes one.
She's a Reiki master. Okay. Thank you for your comment.
Thank you.